if you have 3D printer but do not have design skill, and always you thought of, how can I have my own unique products? And probably because of the scarcity of time and long learning curve, you never went in this direction where you wanted to learn how to design product. Then in this video, I'm going to show you how can you create a 3D STL file out of your imagination for free without designing it. So let's see how we can do that. For that, first of all, you need to open ChatGPT, and in ChatGPT, you can sign up if you want. Here you need to talk about that thing. For example, I'm gonna say generate, let's say a geometric pen holder with clear background and modern minimalistic design. So this way, guys, you can add as much detail you want and then click OK. Now what you're gonna get from here is an image. And it is actually asking us to log in. So let me quickly log in. And here clearly you can see it is free version. So let me again share the same prompt. Now while this image generate, I'm going to prepare for the next step, which is 2D to STL conversion. For that, I'm gonna go here in menu and then I will type here Copilot. Now in Copilot, you need to click here, open sidebar, and then click on labs. Now here in labs, you're gonna see this option which says Copilot 3D. Now here we can see we have successfully built this image, but I do not want these objects to be there. So maybe this is how we can refine it. I'm gonna say, please generate it empty. Alright, so finally we got this model that doesn't have any object. Now let me download this image. Now after downloading this image, what I'm going to do here is, now I am going to upload this image from here, and let's click here on create. Now while our 3D model is getting created, you can open your slicer, and I'm just waiting for the model to get created. And there you go. We have successfully created this STL model here. Now let's click here on download, and I'm going to download this for STL, which says ideal for 3D printing. And our model seems ready. I'm gonna simply drag and drop it here in 3D printer. Now I have option to scale it. So based on, my requirement, I can set up the size of it. So right now this is the size. So let's say I would like to make it 100. And there you go. Now again, it's up to you however you would like to slice it or would like to print it. So that's how, guys, without any knowledge of 3D software, with just help of few prompt, you can create your own unique portfolio using these tools. Hope you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content. Also, your feedback is very important to us. Do let us know if you want to see more such video. And I will see you soon with one such another productivity video. Till then, you take care and bye-bye.